OSAT 1017, 12 to 2 p.m. by appointment only. Exquisite Colonial home channels old world charm in the modern day. Open foyer west/2 coat closets opens to the bright living room west/oversized windows, formal dining room west/lovely chandelier and eat-in kitchen. You will love cooking in the large kitchen boasting plenty of cabinet space, granite, center island perfect for a quick breakfast. Do all your entertaining from the family room west/cathedral ceiling, built-in bookshelves, and fixed French door leading to the deck. Massive master features double closets and plenty of space for a seating area. 3 additional beds, 3rd floor fin storage, 2.5 baths and fin basement give you immense space for everyone in the family. West/over an acre of land you have opportunities for a garden, fire pit, and patio. You can also avoid the winter frost by parking in the 2-car and let the plows do the work for you. Large wood deck, Mansard roof. Nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac surrounded by trees just adds to all the reasons this is a must-see home. Call now.